Hi guys, welcome back to the writing workshop. I'm really glad to see you all here. Today we're going to talk about something that's really important, and it's brainstorming or thinking about ideas for what we can write about. So before we really start the lesson, I want you all to think in your head about something you'd like to write about and share it with your partner. Alright, does anybody want to share with the class what they told their partner that they would like to write about?
Well, I talked about how I have a good relationship with my brother, so I'd probably write about maybe a time that I had with him.
That's really awesome. That ties in exactly with what we're going to talk about today, actually. When we're thinking about things to write about, it can get hard sometimes, but good writers often write about things that they love. So, to give you kind of some examples, I brought in a couple of things that I love to share with you guys today. So this right here is a picture of me and my sister. She's my best friend too, just like Gabby's brother. And we grew up together, we did everything together, and she's still my best friend. So I love my sister. This is another object I brought. It's a ring that my grandma passed down through my family to me. And I love this ring because it has a lot of family history with it, and it makes me feel special wearing it because I feel connected to my grandma and the rest of my family. So people can also love objects like this ring. So today I really want you guys to think about some people or things, places that you love that you could write about. Does anybody have any ideas, anything that they want to share that they love?
I love dogs.
Dogs. So I have this little anchor chart here that I'm going to write in your answers on. It says, when you don't know where to start, begin with the heart. Gabby just said that she loves dogs. So if we're good writers, we could write about our pets. So we love our pets. Anybody else have any ideas?
I like going on vacation.
So we can write about places that we like going on vacation or going to your house. Good writers can write about places. Let's get a couple more ideas.
I love the cross necklace that I wear every day that I got from my mom.
So people can love objects. That's a really bad necklace. Try that again. Objects. Objects can be a lot of different things. Some people might love the necklace, like Gabby said, or my jewelry, like my grandma, but other people might have collections. Those are collections of objects that they might like to write about and tell their friends why they collect the objects that they do. Let's get several more ideas, maybe 3.
I love to ride roller coasters and go to amusement parks.
So that could go with places, or we could say, we'll do a balloon and say, having fun.
I love listening to music.
So we can love music.
When I'm stressed out, I like to go on runs.
So we can love sports or activities. Think about people that you love.
I have a close relationship with my sister.
So we can write about our family. We can also write about our friends. Does anybody have any friends in this class that they would write about?
My best friend, Sophie.
I like that. Gabby would write about her best friend, Sophie. That is awesome. So today, when you guys go out to your separate independent writing areas, I want you guys to really think about these ideas. I'm gonna have you guys do your own chart like this, where you write down specific people, things, objects that you yourself love that you could write about. So I'm gonna dismiss you guys, and then we're going to go to our independent writing areas, and we're gonna fill out our anchor chart, and then you guys are gonna begin your writing. You're gonna choose one person or one object to write about today, and that's what I want you to focus on. I love that you have all of these ideas, but I really want you to focus on a person or an object so that we can share them with the class later on this week. So I'm gonna start dismissing you guys to your independent writing areas. I'm gonna start with people who are wearing red shirts. You guys get up and collect your writing journals and head to your seats. Okay, next, we can have people in the blue shirts. Grab your writing materials and head back to your writing areas. Now people with green shirts, go ahead.